Hey, I'm Molly.
And I'm John, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Throttle On.
So this channel is mainly about my journey with riding motorcycles, how I'm going to learn how to ride one, how to get your license, basically everything you need to know as a beginner rider. And we're going to try to do some off-roading and some city riding on this channel as well.
Yeah, and we hope to ride a lot of different motorcycles and kind of show some different aspects of motorcycle riding and kind of follow along in a beginner rider's journey through the world of motorcycles. It should be fun. Hope you all follow along, and thanks for watching.
That was good.
Good job.